Hey friends, hope you're having a great day. We're going to practice relating multiplication and division. I found this fun little bulldog dressed up as the army. I love it so much. Anyways, I hope you're having a good time seeing some bulldogs dressed up for Halloween. Well, I can't wait to see some of your costumes as well. But anyways, this week we're practicing relating multiplication and division, where sometimes we found that we need to find an unknown number in a multiplication or division equation. Sometimes we're actually not missing this product, and sometimes we're not missing the quotient. We might be missing one of the factors, okay? And sometimes we'll put a box there, or sometimes we'll be missing the divisor where we have the dividend, okay? So that's what we're going to be working on today. Let's go into this next example. So it says to find the value of the triangle. So a triangle, it can be anything instead of a question mark. It could be a triangle, it could be a shape, it could just be a square like a box. But for example, we're looking for the triangle when divided by 9 equals 3, okay? So remember, when you're missing that dividend, whenever you're missing it, we don't have that total. So we have the two numbers working together, multiplying together to get that total. So if you think of it as a multiplication equation, it could be 9 times 3, okay? So what we can do is use a multiplication table to find unknown dividends. For example, step 1, we don't know the unknown dividend. The divisor is 9. So we're going to come over here and find 9, okay? And then we're going to find the quotient, which is 3, okay? And what we're going to do is use multiplication, which is the inverse operation. Can you guys say that? Inverse operation. Good. If you say it, it'll help you remember it. So the dividend is unknown. So you can use a product of a multiplication fact to find the dividend. You can use 9 times 3 to get that triangle, to find that what the triangle is divided by 9 equals 3. So then this next step is that we're going to find the product of 9 and 3 in the multiplication table. So we're going to shade the row for 9. Here's 9. We're going to shade going across, and then shade the column for 3. There's 3. We're going to shade going across. And so what you're going to do is find the product. The product is the square where the shading overlaps. So right here. So 9 times 3 equals the triangle, or the triangle equals 27. You can count by 9 3 times. 9, 18, 27. Or you can also count by 3, 9 times 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. So we can find out that using the product to find the unknown dividend, that 9 times 3 equals 27. So something divided by 9 equals 3, or that something would be 27. So the solution to that triangle, or that missing number, or the missing dividend, is that it is 27. Also the multiplication table to help you find those answers, friends. See you soon. Let's practice another problem. Brianna needs $42. She wants to save $6 each week. How many weeks will it take Brianna to save in order to reach her goal? So first of all, I have these important numbers that I'm going to circle. Okay, so she needs $42. That's how much she has total, okay? She wants to save $6 a week. There it is. But how many weeks will it take Brianna to save in order to reach her goal? In the equation, you need to find the unknown factor, okay? So we can draw an array. Start by making one row of 6 dots, okay? And keep drawing rows of 6 dots until there are 42 dots in all. So let's go ahead and do that together, all right? So we have one row of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Keep going until you count to 42. There's another row which gives us 12. Then we have 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows with how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that missing number that we didn't know would be 7. It will take 7 weeks for Brianna to save $42. Arrays, or go ahead into Schoology and practice using